On to participant number 6, CA Riddhi Jain. She is here with a use case called automated AI tool. Uh, let's see what is in store for us. Over to you, Riddhi.
Okay. Okay, hello everyone, and good afternoon to a jury member, CA Karthik sir, our committee chairman, vice chairman, and all the master blasters of the committee who are doing so good. We are in the season 3. I'm presenting my use case. I'll share my screen first. Brief introduction about myself. I'm CA Riddhi Jain, and I'm a practicing chartered accountant. I'm a company secretary. Thereby, I am basically practicing in the world of blockchain. I've mentored like 15 companies. I've worked with 15 blockchain companies. So mostly something not that CAs are practicing. I would rather say I'm a fintech CA. And here goes what all things I've pursued. I'm FAFD. I am certified by Harvard on introduction of AI and Python. So today I'll be introducing you to something called CA Partners Pro, and this is created a free application that is created by me. So nation first, as we know, soldiers are already fighting. So yeah, that's how I designed it. Coming on to the challenges that we actually face in the current days. So as a practicing chartered accountant, we need to be handy about our offices. So you can carry your offices in your pocket if you use this particular tool. You can have accessibility. So major challenges, you're sitting somewhere else, you're giving a seminar and all of us are here and we need to maintain our offices also. So with an integration of a particular application, you can actually go through your office, you can see everything without a camera, but with a tool, you can increase your productivity. It can be error-free at the same time. We have so many tasks that are done continuously. So it can be monitored. We can create SOPs so that whatever we are doing continuously, the redundant time can be saved. At the same time, there are times when we pay penalties for the income tax and GST. Those same can also be reduced. So it helps in proper reporting. It's less of time consuming. So what is the specialty about the particular thing that I'm going to show you is when I integrate this, I've integrated it with email. I've also integrated it with WhatsApp. So the best part is it breaks barriers, it automates all your tasks, it tracks your progress, you can achieve your goals, upload the documents, organize the files, integrate with APIs and save your cost. Needless to say much, I think I'll directly take you to the part of what I've created, how you can use it. So here comes the fact that this is the dashboard. This dashboard shows, I think I've shared this over the Zoom call. Okay, I should share this over a Zoom call in the meeting.
Your screen is visible.
My screen is visible, right?
Yes.
Just a second. Chat box, I need to share something that I have created. Okay. So this is the tool that I've created. Hereby I share my screen again.
Your dashboard is visible.
Yeah. I think I need to go
Your
back.
dashboard is visible.
My dashboard is visible. Okay, if you see my dashboard, it has
Yes.
If you see my dashboard, it has multiple things. It has all my partners who all work in what all industry. It's visible. Just a second. I am not able to see my dashboard. Okay, now my dashboard is visible to me. I think I lost some time, but I'll get back to the same. Yeah, so there are a few people who are working with me. So I'm in fintech, Rohit Sharma, and other people are into fintech. If you see my dashboard, it has data like who works in the audit part, who works in the income tax part, who works in the MCS part. Same I've shared in the link also. Now, suppose for instance, this guy wants to work in the terms of audit. I'll directly shift it here, and immediately it changes to the part that, okay, the team is working in the audit team. If you see the layout, you can also see the location. If you see the location, then I'm based out of Mumbai here. I can change the part that I'm sitting in Raipur currently, and then I'm working. So if I change it here, and if you see my particular product, if you see the particular creation that I've done in CA Partners Flow, you can see the change there itself in the layout. You will see that now I'm based in Raipur. If you see the different entities that I'm working with, I'm trying to manage my office this way. So these are the different entities and the websites and the logo and different descriptions of the companies that I'm working with. These are the tasks that are given to my different articles or are done by me. So I can see the task overview also of what is done and who is the selected partner who is doing the same. At the same time, I can show the changes that are made there. If I need to see a particular document, I can see it here. At the same time, if there are some new clients that I'm trying to onboard, I can see if I've updated a particular phone number, I can update a particular phone number, I can mail them, I can see the checklist of the work that is done. And I can also see the locations and I can update the locations. Hereby, I show how I updated the data. So this is the data. These are all the partners. This is the location part. This is the articles. These are the articles that I have. How many years of articleship? What all files I've shared with them? What are the tasks allocated to a particular person? Who is the assigned person who's allocated a particular task? What is the status? Who is on site and who is off site? Now, if I'm outside my office, I need to know who is where. What are the details of my client? Where is the registered office? Is their ITRs filed? If they are not filed, what is the particular due date? I can see my timelines. I can see what are my new clients that I have updated here. I can also find the answer sheets. What were my questions? Who took the answers or what are the final answers from the client side? What are my audit tasks? Are they really completed or not? What are the comments that I'm getting? What are my checklists that I've provided? And suppose, for instance, I'm working with a pharmaceutical industry and I need to give an SOP to my article and I'm sitting here. So I can directly tell them to access this particular file and they can go through this particular file and check what all things can be done. Now, every office or different office have different kind of work. We did a concurrent audit and thereby we had problems like discrepancy and there was a cash verification. So who did it? What were the notes to it and how is that to be incorporated? I'll show you a particular workflow that I've created here. From my new client, if I run my particular workflow, so you will see it will say pick an app to open. So this is integrated with my phone also. If I run this, I'll integrate it with my phone. Once I integrate with my phone, I open my Bluetooth, I can automatically send messages or even send mails to the client regarding the reminders. So here is, I can choose the device and I can go ahead. Similarly, I've designed it for my articles also. If I run my workflow, automatically I have a particular article that I'll show you in my list and I can automate this thing with my article, automate my messages to my article that, okay, I have to message Roshan and Roshan can be messaged that way. So from my data point, from my layout point and from my workflow point, what all things I'm going to do, what all things I tried to show you, we are trying to break the barriers of our location. We have automated all our data. There is a progress track, what your work is and how it is done. At the same time, you can see how close you are in terms of achieving your goals. You can automatically send emails and WhatsApp messages also. You can organize the files also. I'll show you a particular data. When I'm sitting here, there was a particular client who gave me a data that I have few cases that are currently going on. So in order to look at the same, I'll just upload that particular sheet of data that is presented to me pending court cases. And I'll just show you in a minute, in a second that how it is uploaded, because I think I'm very short of my time because I took time in showing my screen. So this particular integration will show all the parties wherein the court cases are pending. So I just uploaded the file wherein it shows all the pending things that are there. What all are my pending case laws? So me sitting anywhere, I can upload my file, I can check my
The
things.
last 2 minutes, please.
So I would hereby conclude in terms of saying that where I can not only check my court cases, I can create SOPs, I can set help instructions, I can also track the progress. I have few FAQs, any of my client onboarding, I can show them FAQs, and I can check everything, keeping everything in my pocket. Using this, since I've always been a fintech person and I've found it easy kind of thing to allocate to things. What all are the background things that I used here? So like we use ChatGPT. Here I've used Glide AI, wherein yesterday I was just checking around in WhatsApp that I had a summary of all my friends going to AI Summit. So taking it to out of the box from CA Pro that I did. So the agenda is everybody of us are going. So if I show you the layout, these are the participants that are going. And it was initiated that way. And then at last moment, a guy really cancelled up. So his name was verified there that, okay, Anirudh backed out. And our agenda and what will that be? So we'll meet at a registration meeting, greeting, dinner, and whatnot. That things can be integrated here. So it's not only your office tool that can be integrated. There are multiple tools that can be integrated. It can be customized as per your own use. One of the query can be asked that why should I use this? Because this is a free tool. You can create it, you can customize it. It can be used for variety of purposes. A few years back, I was in US, so I had all my transactions there. So I've integrated that also. These are my income statements.
The time's up.
These are categories. Thank you so much. And hereby I rest my case. I'm open to any kind of question and answers.
Yeah. Thank you, Riddhi ji. I have primarily one question. The tool that you have shown, we have to check if it violates any of our terms, because
Yeah.
I believe it's a CRM tool and it is capable of creating any kind of CRM that can be of a purpose-based CRM, as you have rightly shown. So you may create a Office Task Manager tool, or maybe you can create some income or expenditure tracker tool, as you mentioned. But this is a platform, I believe, and you would have used AI
tool
agent.
creating platform.
Sorry?
Sorry to interrupt. This is an AI tool creating platform. So it's not just an app creation platform, it's the AI tool creating platform that way.
Okay, yeah, but this is a platform where the CRM tools can be created, you mean to say, and the AI is integrated in it, or you have
Yeah.
used any AI outside to build this whole?
Definitely to pull up the files, to extract things. There are different AIs like
Understood.
POV, Gemini,
Yeah,
Cloud that are.
understood. Got it. But this platform as such is not indigenously developed. It is
No,
available in the.
I could have developed it indigenously in VBA Coder and other coders that I used for
Got
my
it, got
normal
it.
clients,
Yeah,
but I
no,
found
no.
it easy.
Yes, yes. No, but this is an existing platform, you mean to say?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Like
done,
we use ChatGPT or Cloudy or Gemini, similar kind
done,
of that.
done. Done, done. Got it, got it.